I'm so focused. I'm so focused. Yeah, I'm so focused. I'm so focused. Yeah, I'm so focused. The money.
What it do, what it is, y'all know time. This is Mike 1727. This is another Decode. Bunch of thanks on YouTube. Today's Decode, we're doing it on Zachary Winston, brother of Michigan State star Cassius Winston. Dies after being hit by a train in Albion, Michigan. Alright. Zachary Winston, the brother of Michigan State player Cassius Winston, is dead at 19 after being struck by an Amtrak train. Okay. Zachary was a sophomore forward of Albion College men's basketball team. The tragedy occurred at Erie Street Crossing in Albion around 8:30 p.m. All right. So to all my new subscribers and my newcomers, if you're new to Gematria, Gematria is the alphanumerical coding of assigning numerical value to a phrase, a name, or a word. Okay. For instance, let's get to it. Z Smoothie 13. All right, Z Smoothie 13 was Zachary Winston's Instagram name, his Twitter name, all his social media sites. His name was Z Smoothie 13. So when you put Z Smoothie 13 in, all right, in English order would be A to Z, 1 to 26. Okay, so each letter has a number. A will be 1, B will be 2, C will be 3, D will be 4, so forth and so on. All right, his name is Z Smoothie 13. Z would be 26. Okay, S would be 19. M would be 13. You add them all up, 26 plus 19 plus 13 plus 15, so forth and so on, you get 134. Right? So Z Smoothie 13 equals 134. For reduction, these are the common base English ciphers. Full reduction would be 1 through 9. Sets of 1 through 9. A to I would be 1 to 9. You'll start back over at J. J to R would be 1 through 9. You'll start back over at S. 1 to 8 would be S to Z. That equals 53. All right, let's get back to it. Zachary Winston's nickname on all his social media sites is Z Smoothie 13. Z Smoothie would equal 134 in English ordinal and 53 in full reduction. Okay? His birthday is the 134th day of the year. And Zachary Winston passed on the 53rd day left in the year. All right? You see the correlations? Right? The 53rd day is 11-9, 119. Okay? November 9th. Zach Winston, all right, a shorter version of his name, Zach Winston equals 53 also. News say he passed by suicide. Suicide equals 119. All right, suicide equals 119. The 53rd day left in the year, 119. All right. Albion, the school he played for, where he stayed, Albion College, is an old British name for underworld. Underworld equals 134 and 53. All right, let's put that in. Underworld. Underworld, 134 and 53. So saying Albion is just like saying underworld. All right? His birthday was on 134th day of the year. All right, which is May 13th, and he passed the 53rd day left in the year, November 9th. Okay? He was hit by an Amtrak train in Albion. The phrase Amtrak train in Albion equals 52. Amtrak train in Albion in Chaldean. Chaldean numerology is one of the best, all right, one of the first numerologies. Amtrak train in Albion equals 52 in Chaldean. Right? Cassius Winston, his big brother, that was also in the headlines with him all through the news outlets, also equals 52. All right? Cassius Winston, in full reduction, equals 52. All right? Erie Street Crossing also equals 228 in English order. 228, February 28th, is his brother's birthday. 228. All right, you see the correlations? 228, February 28th, 2019. All right. So, y'all make sure y'all hit me up on Instagram at bunch727. Y'all need more decodes, make sure you put it in the comments below. Or hit me up on Instagram at bunch727. This is another decode of the day. You already know what time it is. Let's get it.
You trouble I'm so focused. 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 Yeah, I'm so focused. I'm so focused. Yeah, I'm so focused. The money is coming. My time is coming. I'm so focused. Yeah, I'm so focused. I'm so focused. Yeah, I'm so focused. The money is coming. My time is coming. I'm so focused. Yeah, I'm so focused. Yeah, I'm chosen. Eyes on the token. And you know this. You can keep the bogus. When my drinking, I just feel like pouring. Ain't no stopping. I'ma keep on flooring. Keep it going. Keep on going. If I got it, you know that I'ma show it. If I want it, yeah, I'ma own it. I'm a hustler. I get it on my lonely. You can keep it for all the ones who owe me. Doing me now. Shout out to the old me. Not where I wanna be, but it's coming slowly. Haters talk, but I swear that they don't know me. They don't like me, but try and clone me. If I see it, I'ma go and get it. If I want it, yeah, I'ma own it.